Hi guys, here are the Shrestha materials. I am going to explain the features of these materials and how this material is going to help you to crack your May 23 examinations. Okay, so let's look at one by one. Almost huge weight, I can say roughly 15 kgs. This is both group 1 and group 2 put together. And for group 1 we are having 9 books, and for group 2 we are having 8 books. Of course, all 17 books put together consist of 8 subjects. Okay, so just we'll look at one by one group. Okay, let's continue with group 1 books. So as I told, we have in group 1 totally 9 modules. Let us look at one by one module. Let me open one by one module. Suppose if you see paper 1, we are having totally 3 books in paper 1. So paper 1 main book, and paper 1 solutions book, printed solution book, and even for paper 1 we are going to give you running notes that has been used by the faculty. And let me explain you the features of each and every book. And paper 1 main booklet, if you look at main booklet, this main booklet consists of, if you observe here, we have used a word called Shrestha material. This is main book, which will consist of the main content, main concept, as well as the problems, like questions. The answers will be contained in the, like what I already showed you, in the solutions book. Okay, running notes, that is something which is used by the faculty while taking up the class, while recording the class, whatever the notes that faculty uses, and that is also being provided to you. And if you look at this book, at the end of each book we have given some 3 colored pages. What are these colored pages? Are nothing but, this is nothing but the timetable that you have to follow. Like what is this timetable is about? Generally many students who take up with us the classes, they don't take subject wise. Most of the students take up the classes with us group wise. So we are giving them a full-fledged single group timetable. This timetable will be for 93 days. This timetable will be given for 93 days. Matlab, for these 93 days, what are the subjects that you need to watch? What are the chapters that you need to watch? How many hours you need to watch on each day, each subject? So all that is given. In the YouTube, caramharsha, you will find a timetable for Shrestha students, a full-fledged half-an-hour video. So if you watch that, you will understand how to interpret this timetable. The logic is very simple. Whoever join with us, we will give them the full-fledged material set. Getting it? So at a separate price, it is optional. Whoever want to purchase this material, they can purchase. Or if you want to download a soft copy PDF, you can download and take a print as well. Getting it? So very simple. Whoever is coming with us, we always want these students to start afresh with us. So those who start afresh with us, we give them a 93 days schedule for single group. Whether you are a group 1 student or group 2 student, the schedule is going to be 93 days. And I'm telling you, the 93 days schedule has been designed so scientifically, considering your boredom, everything, whatnot. So you can watch the timetable video in the, Harsha channel, in the timetable for Shrestha students. If you just type that in my channel, you will find the concerned video. So that's about accounting subject. Okay, so that's about the accounting subject. I showed 3 modules we will be giving for accounting subject. Okay, so let's look into the law subject. So in law paper 2 of group 1, we are going to give you 2 books if at all you are booking for law. By the way, you can purchase the company law book separately and other law book separately. Getting it? So first I'll show you about company law book. Look, this is applicable for November 22 and May 23. I know November 22 exams were already over. So obviously this book is very much relevant for May 23. You know very well, the institute has given the materials for November 22 only. For May 23, November 23, institute has not given any new materials. Getting it? So whatever existing materials of icai were there, the same will be applicable. We are also following the same approach. So whatever materials we have given for November 22, for May 23, the same book, same edition, we are continuing. For your information, this is completely an updated book. There were no amendments from icai, and I'll promise, if at all any amendments, if at all comes in future through RTP, we are going to give you free videos in the YouTube channel. Okay, so this is company law book. You all know company law is having almost 10 chapters. Only company law, we are having almost 10 chapters. And the 10th chapter is given in the last. If you look at the last of this book, sorry, 7th chapter, M&A. So management and administration chapter was given in the last part, as a last part. You will be getting one colored page like this. After that, we have given this, M&A, management and administration chapter. That's it. Actually, previously, whoever have purchased these books, for them, we have not given M&A chapter. So that time the PDF was under development, and now it is completely ready. So this is about company law book, which is completely updated, which will have all the exercise questions from ICI book. Getting it? Those who listen to our rest classes and read this material, I challenge any level of toughness in the question paper for May 23 or even for November 23. You can definitely handle better. Let's look at other laws book as well. So this is other laws book. So this other law book is being prepared completely by our faculty, Vikita madam. Now Vikita madam is completely looking into CMA related issues. So now other laws is being handled by Subramaniam sir. But the book remains same. Book is completely same. Getting it? So this is the other laws book. And as I told once again, at the end of every book we have given timetable. I showed this in the accounts related video as well. So at the end of every book we have given the timetable, schedule, the timetable, sheet. So this is related to other laws. So this will have 4 types of other laws. Like you have 4 other laws. One is contract law, negotiable instrument law, general clauses act, and interpretation of statutes. That's it. So that is completely covered. RTP, MTP questions are completely covered, and these questions will be explained clearly in our subscription model, in our regular classes everywhere. That's it. Now let's look at P3 of Group 1, costing materials. So this is our costing main material, and this is our solutions book in the costing. And if you prepare properly, if you prepare from this material costing, and of course, if at all you listened our classes as well clearly and thoroughly by our faculty Srinivas Reddy, okay, and I'm telling you, you're going to get extremely good clarity in costing subject. Whatever the level of toughness in the question paper, you can definitely answer. I hope you have heard about our institution from your friends. Definitely they would have told you like what kind of quality content that we provide. Okay, so you can witness that in our material as well as you can witness that in our classes. Especially these materials are highly recommended for those who are watching our classes under subscription mode or subject wise mode or even regular mode. Now let's look at our taxation material applicable for May 23 and November 23 examinations. Okay, bulky. This is income tax material, only income tax, almost 750 pages roughly income tax material. We made this material for November 22 as well as May 23 examinations put together. Now, if you observe the ICA material, for May 2023, ICA material has given an exclusive new material. But what we did is for income tax, because many students were there who have taken regular course 6 months ago with us for May 23. And there are many students who have taken subscription course and subject wise course almost a few months before for May 23. Getting it? So what we did is, in order to avoid confusion, there are many students who are there in the, outside who are following our, courses. For them, with them, only November 22 books were there. So the biggest question in income tax, should we buy once again May 23 updated book of ICI? Not required. If you have November 2022 material, don't worry, we have provided amendments material of 50 pages. In fact, amendments are not completely 50 pages. Amendments are hardly some 20-30 pages only. In capital gains, index number changes, right? Because of that issue, 20 pages problems of capital gains we resolved. We completely solved again capital gains problem just because the index number has been changed. You know very well, for May 23 exams, Finance Act 2022 will apply. As per Finance Act 2022, for the financial year 22-23, the cost inflation index number is different. So anyhow, so we have given the original material as well as the amendments material completely. So videos related to amendments material were also given. Now here many students are asking, sir, should we watch the regular class at first and then go and watch amendments after completion of all the existing chapters, or should we complete one chapter and immediately watch amendments related to that chapter? The answer is the second option. So first you take up Shrestha classes. Getting it? After you take up Shrestha classes, we have given chapter wise clear cut videos in income tax. Watch that chapter videos. After completing that particular chapter videos, open concerned chapter amendments folder. Getting it? Inside that you will find amendment video in that chapter, hardly half an hour to 1 hour. That too, very few chapters. You know, all amendments put together 3 to 4 hours only. Already the amendments video is already uploaded in YouTube channel of mine, CA Harsha. So in that channel we have already uploaded amendments videos. So just to go through that, CA Harsha Income Tax Amendments May 2023, you will find a video. Watch that along with this book, and I'm telling you, you are done. You are up to up to mark for May 2023 examinations. Now let's look at the GST material. So this is the GST material. Getting it, part B in the taxation subject, which is occupying 40 marks. So this is updated material as per ICA. For this GST, there is a supplementary material which is issued by the ICAI. So on that supplementary material, we are going to give you free videos. So conclusion, those who are taking up the taxation books with us or taxation classes with us, you are up to date for May 2023 examinations, even for November 2023 examinations. That's it. Now let us look at group 2 materials. Okay, so this is the complete set of group 2 materials. So now let's look at subject by subject. For group 2 paper 5 advanced accounting, we are giving you 3 materials. One is main material, another one is solutions book, and another one is running notes. So 3 materials we are giving you for group 2 advanced accounting. These are very much updated materials for May 23, even for November 23 examinations, because the ICA itself has not given any updated materials for May 23 and November 23. You know, if you take up these books and follow with our Shrestha classes, I guarantee any level of toughness you can definitely answer. And by the way, our paper 5 advanced accounting classes are being handled by Satyaraju sir. Same faculty will also handle paper 1 accounting. Satyaraju sir is excellent in terms of teaching because his diction is something which is different. Okay, you can see his demo classes, all that, and then accordingly decide about advanced accounting. Most of your friends and seniors would have already told how good our classes are regarding this entire CA intern. That's it. Now let's look at the auditing and assurance subject. So this is the book that we give for those who are taking up auditing and assurance. By the way, you can take entire group 2 set completely, or you can even take subject wise book also. You can even order subject wise book also. At the end of every subject, we have given group 2 timetable, complete group 2 timetable. Like I already told, many students will take up the classes with the Shrestha group wise. Hardly we find very few students who take up subject wise classes with us. So many are taking group wise. Suppose if a student takes up entire group 2, if at all he gives 3 months of his time, if at all he follow this 93 days schedule, we promise he will complete full-fledged coaching, as well as he will also finish at least 1 time proper revision. So including revision, 24 days revision, this timetable has been prepared. And by the way, this is auditing and assurance book. This book is having totally 3 parts. Every part is being separated by an yellow color page. Getting it? So this book is having totally 3 parts. You can find out here. So I think this is part 3. This is, I think, part 3. Just a minute. Yes, this is part 3 actually. You can find index at the beginning of every part. You see here, this is since part 3, the index is only in the part 3 column. Getting it? So auditing subject is completely divided into 3 parts. Whatever chapters we have, completely divided into 3 parts. And I promise, if you study this book correctly, you need not even refer ICA book or any other source. Each and every question in exam, including MCQ, including true or false, you can comfortably answer, provided you also have enrolled with our classes. All our materials were designed keeping in mind our classes, our teaching methodology altogether. So if you have taken up our classes along with our material and strictly follow the timetable which we are giving, remember, timetable you have to strictly follow. That doesn't mean the timetable is very hard. The timetable is very simple. In a day, you have to watch 8 hours classes. In fact, we clearly explained how that 8 hours in a day you have to split so that you can comfortably watch the classes without any strain. Getting it? Fine. So this is about auditing book. Now let's look at EIS and strategic management, like enterprise information system and strategic management, which is paper 7 in group 2. So you will be getting 2 separate books. So one is EIS, another one is SM. You can buy EIS separately and SM separately. So the choice is yours. If you want both, you have to buy both the books. Simple. So this subject is being handled by another dynamic faculty of our study, that is Harish Krishnan sir. So he is very well known, is very extremely famous in AP and Telangana, in fact in the entire South. In fact, you can find Harish Krishnan sir on his YouTube channel. Harish Krishnan, there is a YouTube channel given. I mean, he's having a YouTube channel or faculty. So his classes are going to be extremely superb. So if you take up subscription model or regular model, you'll be getting entire classes. In addition to that, if you even take up our group 2 complete set, you'll be getting for EIS and SM these books. Getting it? Now we will look at paper 8, financial management and economics finance related material that we are giving. So paper 8 part A, this is financial management. This book is prepared by our previous faculty who has been handling this subject, that is Samba Shiva sir. But now the financial management entire classes are being handled by one more new team member who has been added into our team, that is Fanindra sir. He is excellent in terms of classes. You can find his videos in our rest of a CA and CMA application. You will witness, you will find all the demo videos, all that. You are going to enjoy the subject like anything. So this is the financial management book, complete financial management main book. Now, what about solution for this? Solutions will be explained detailedly in the class. You have to take a handwritten notes. You have to take up the notes. In fact, we are going to prepare complete PDF soft copy and then giving it to you. So whatever price we are charging for FM, this is only for the main book, so which is a nominal price. Then we are having economics for finance, which is handled by our another faculty, Naga sir. So Naga sir is having very good exposure. In fact he's an UPSC aspirant. So he has worked in outside India, in Abu Dhabi and all. He has worked in EY, Big 4 firms. So now he's been taking with us economics for finance subject, where he'll handle the subject in a very practical manner. So this is the book that you get for economics for finance. By the way, how to order these materials, group 1 set, group 2 set, or even subject wise materials? You can simply open rest of a CA and CMA application and you will find all the combinations. Group 1 books you can order separately, group 2 books you can order separately, and if you want both the groups, you have to order separately group 1 and group 2. And if you want only a particular subject, you can order even that subject alone. So just open rest of a CA and CMA and you can order. And in YouTube channel, there is a video given by myself, Harsha, where you can, you search with these wordings, how to buy rest material, caramharsha. In the YouTube, you will find a video about how to buy these books.